How much can your client expect to pay in capital gains tax when they're selling their home? This is a common question that comes up a lot, and I want to make sure you're the expert and the client can lean on you for those kinds of questions. You don't want to be the one that doesn't have the solution or the answer. We're going to break that down in today's video right now. What is capital gains tax? When you sell your home, the government is going to want a piece of that profit. So for example, if you buy your house at $200,000 and you turn around and sell it for $500,000, you made $300,000 in profit. The government is going to want a percentage of that money. On average, you're looking at 15 to 20% is what you're going to have to pay in the percentage of that profit. This is paid one time at the end of the year when you file your taxes. How to avoid it and what it is, we're going to break it down. All right, listen up. Turn up your listening ears for your clients so they understand this. If they were in their primary residence and they have moved out, the time is ticking like we talked about. They have to be in there at least 2 of the last 5 years. So if the client has moved out and it's been over 3 years, they're going to lose out on that capital gains exemption, which you don't want to do because now you're going to have to pay the government taxes and nobody wants to do that. So let's make sure they understand that, they take advantage of that before they move out and they're not in the residence over 3 years within the 5-year period. Here's a cool thing. So listen up, turn that knob up just a little bit more. If you buy your home for $200,000 or your client does, everything you put into that home as far as upgrades actually increase the bases of your house. So for example, if you put in $50,000 worth of upgrades and you spend $200,000, now the house is actually worth $250,000 and you go to sell it, that actually doesn't count as a profit when you go to sell your house when it comes to capital gains. So I thought that was important. I wanted to share that as well. Hopefully you got some good information on today's video. We wanted to share some basics on capital gains taxes, when it's required, when it's not required, primary residence, and the percentages. I appreciate you stopping by. I'm Kobe Sway with Inspiring Agent. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you soon on the next video.